Hey guys, this is a instructional video to resolve the Juggernaut Hellfighter issue on the AR platform. In California, we have to have it featureless, so once you install this guy, and if you have a Polymer mag, I don't know, I've been having issues. Some people that I know, they've been having issues. There is a problem. The Polymer mag, somehow when you pull the charging handle, the BCG comes over here, hits it, gets jammed, and I filed most of my mags. I'll show you a little sample here. This back end, you file a little bit and it slips and it works just fine. Now when you file, it doesn't affect the mag in any way, shape or form. The bullets line up properly, so no issue there. But I will show you a little demonstration to what the problem is. Hopefully you don't have it, but if you do, this is an easy fix, maybe 5 minutes or so. Let's just double check that there's nothing in the chamber, no mag. We'll install the mag that has the issue, which is a brand new mag, but for some reason it doesn't function. So here we go. This is, it gets stuck and jammed up. So let's just get the jam out of the way so we can work on the mag. Okay, here we go. Let's pop this open, release the mag. So this is a P mag. I'll just open it up. So I have a filer here. This is a finer one, so we're gonna shave with this. I've already worked on a few already. So this is the part, you can see a little indentation here. This is where it gets stuck. So it's a little marker. That's about where I need to shave. And I shave it in an angle. It takes no more than 2-3 minutes at most. Maybe a little more. It should be good, but I want to be safe. So with the fine filer, we'll just smooth it out. Now this issue doesn't happen with regular metal mags. It only happens with the polymer or plastic. It's really plastic. Polymer is just a fancy way of saying it. Putting the mag back together. Let's put these tools away and the dust. Alright, see what happens. So this is the end result, and I'm certain it's gonna work just fine. Pop the upper with the lower. Okay, let's give it a go. And there you go. Alright guys, hopefully this video helps you guys, and click like if you like this video. Thanks for your time.